week, another video for us during the summer holidays. We are doing some baking today, which is of chocolate chip shortbread cookies.
Just shortbread.
Just shortbread. And I can't stand baking, and I wish I'd done more and worked harder at food tech, but this one,
Loves it.
he loves it. So yeah, have a bit of fun. Don't expect magic because I'm rubbish and he's the one who guides me. Let's go. Okay, let's get going. Let's remain stress-free. So, plain flour, 300 grams. Whoa, yeah. Okay, can you add that into there for me, please? Now, they're then saying to sieve it. I can't sieve it. My sieve's not the right thing. Add the butter. Butter is 200 grams. And I believe, my dear friend, this is 250. Butter.
So that's it. Is that's cold?
Yeah, and I'm gonna just take away that amount. Because now, why does it want it in cubes?
I don't know.
What does it say?
No.
Doesn't say. Just
I can't even bother to look anyways.
Summer holidays. I've done reading for today, Mum. I'm not reading anymore. Is it like that? Okay.
I read a whole book yesterday.
You did do that. You must love that. What was it? Dogman. Okay. I don't understand why we're doing this in cubes.
Ooh.
It looks like teeth marks. Okay, what's the next instructions? Good food. What do you say?
1 large egg yolk.
Right, Whoa. There was this other lady who, she didn't mention about egg. Okay, you can start doing this. Oh, I think I get why the whole...
I don't get it.
Okay, so basically what it's saying is to now rub it with your fingers. Can I just say that it is the summer holidays? Oh, it's the summer holidays and it's pouring with rain. Right, this, we're going to get a bit messy, okay? Are you ready for this?
Yes. No.
So you're going to basically, we're going to get it into breadcrumbs. I'll just take my wedding ring off. Okay, you ready? So we want it like breadcrumbs. Rub the butter and flour between your fingers. What does it feel like?
It feels smoothing.
This is why they said put it in cubes. Good job we read the instructions. And it should look like crumbs. Stir through the egg. Do we add egg even though every single other recipe has never mentioned an egg? I only think I've got 1 egg.
I thought we bought 6 eggs.
I know, but we did. But 1 broke. We made that rice yesterday.
Like fried rice.
And then Dad had scrambled eggs
This
on
morning.
toast this morning. Right, are you actually trying to get
I don't know what I'm doing.
Right, look. Get it in between your fingers like that. But keep...
Break it up.
Yeah, break it up.
Well, you should tell me that before because...
Yeah, but look, you're putting it through your fingers. But every time you want to get the flour into the butter. Oh, I sound like a professional.
Boy, you're not.
No, I'm not. See, this makes me feel a little bit... It just feels weird. Do you like it? I have changed the recipe right at the end. And I'm just thinking, nobody else. Alexa, what ingredients do you need to make shortbread, please?
To make shortbread biscuits, you'll need 150 grams plain flour, plus extra for dusting. 100 grams butter, chilled and cubed, and 50 grams caster sugar, plus 1 tablespoon for sprinkling. Those are all the ingredients. Should I send you the recipe?
No,
Yes, please.
Okay, sent. To hear the instructions step by step,
Alexa,
just
off please. Okay.
Just off.
Okay, let's go with BBC Good Food. We've started now, we're committed. Right, stir through the egg. Let's commit ourselves to BBC Good Food. Let's add the egg. Only one left. Egg yolk. Egg yolk. Egg yolk. Oh, I've lost our recipe. Where is it? Where is it? I hate this tablet, Charlie.
Translate the yolk.
The yolk. Now, I'm going to get a bit messy, okay? Okay. Right, now the professionals do this. Do I actually look like I know what I'm doing?
Now put it in.
Ready?
Yeah.
Egg yolk.
Now should I mix it? Should I mix
Yeah, but you might want a spoon, mightn't you? Okay, and then sugar. Sugar. Okay, wait there.
Oh, yeah.
That must get really yucky. And squish everything together. Right, so add, now this is the wrong type of sugar, but hey, sugar.
Oh, the sugar filling.
What is the sugar filling? Right, it says a bit of this, just a little, to a Jamie Oliver. He says just a little and he adds loads. Right,
Make it into a dough.
no, not yet. We need to get all this sugar in first.
If you want.
Sugar and then squish everything together in the bowl to
Make a dough.
make a dough. This could take a bit of work for the crumbs stage. Add the chocolate chips and spread evenly throughout. Right, let's just keep going. Do we listen to their advice with how many chocolate chips?
No.
Can I just measure it and see? Oh, they're right there. So it says 80 grams of chocolate chips.
But we're doing the whole packet.
We're going to do the whole packet, which is 100. Right, can
No,
I just...
let's do 90 grams.
What, for you to eat?
No.
Charlie Brown, good effort, my friend. Okay, ready? Go with the chocolate chips. You do how many you want. Good job we're not baking for the king, because our hygiene is pretty terrible. Okay, this is looking good. Oh man.
Feels nice in your hands.
And what does it taste like, I bet?
Sugary.
Well, it's the wrong sugar, so isn't it? Really sugary. How can it says add the chocolate chips evenly? There is no evenly. Once it's become together, top it onto your work surface and form it into a flattened, round puck shape. Right, and chill for 30 minutes. Oh, good. Okay, let's wrap it. Let's wrap it. Mr. Bree, you need to wash your hands.
Tastes nice. I think we just put a bit too much sugar in.
It's the wrong sugar. I got the wrong sugar.
It's not our fault.
Whose fault is it?
Yours.
I've already said it's not our fault. I'm like, yes. Okay. Right. Like this, like this, like this.
You need to
Right, go and put that, my dear, into the fridge. So I've just realised that the reason, this is from washing up, and I love washing up, the reason that I don't like cooking, I think, is because I don't like getting like messy, and I don't like to see the messy surface and just all a bit chaotic. Charlie does, but I don't. So yeah, that's why I don't like it. I just did rock, paper, scissors, shoot, and I had to do the washing up. But roll the dough out between 2 sheets of bacon. I feel that we should just do it our way. Yeah?
Yeah, I want it my way.
I did.
I want it my way.
Ours is so organised, I forget about it. Do you want to do rock, paper, scissors, shoot for the next lot of washing up?
No.
You were lucky.
No.
Did not.
You don't need that.
I don't understand that. I think that's like... Okay, so I know that they do this.
God, Mum, what do you do?
Nanny Morton used to do this. You just go a little bit like... Maybe not as much.
You might want to.
I know, that's the middle of that baking thing, baking piece. Oh, that rain and off coming down. Right, you ready? Now, this, I definitely know they do this. I thought that's the rolling pin. You go like that. And then, a bit like that.
Oh my God, I almost broke it.
Oh, wait there. Is this why they say do it their way? Can I have a go if you don't mind?
Yeah.
I think you just went too hard.
Yes. I just want to bounce.
Oh, it does break quite a bit. Okay, you've got an adverb that's really annoying me. Close. That's better. Right. Okay. Let's do it our way, yeah?
Yeah, I want it my way.
I want it my way. Do you think? Oh, Charlie, look at it. It's really... I think we should have put it in between.
Do you know
two
what I
pieces.
think we should do? Just place it in there.
No, because that would be too big. Let's not rush it. It's a work of art.
Is it now?
So they say. Oh, that rain is really coming down. I hope you become, when you're at school, I want you to do better at food tech than your mum. I had a cracking teacher though.
We never do food check.
Not even like a little bit.
No, only bacon.
That is food tech.
Ready?
No, not yet, dude. It needs to be thinner.
Don't need to be thinner.
It does, because they're going to rise. Oh my gosh. Do you think we can have some before Dad gets back tonight after football? He is out in this rain. Get in fault. I might be doing a bit too much flour. Okay, do you want to have a go, or is this...
Not you. I am
Go.
done.
Yes, dude. And we're off. Oh, we've got loads.
It's kind of good.
It's really good. Right, coming down. This one's a bit of a fat one. Okay, I see what you mean about being impatient. Can I go here?
That's what I feel like.
I know, I get it now, I get it. I just want them in the oven. They're gonna taste delicious. Right, not too much because it's still in the oven. Okay. Right, so if I go there. I think this is really quite thick up this end. I'm going to need to get another baking tray, dude. Here you go. Oh, I feel like I'm getting flour all over me. Give it a twiddle and a twirl. No, not there. I just want to do it. It's amazing. Don't touch it. Really sorry about the camera quality. I just got back from holiday and it's saying that I'm run out of storage. Can you get me a plate, please? Okay, so you know when it comes to the real ones from the professionals, this is hot. Can Mum do it, please? No. Okay, hold this tissue and this tea towel. However, my point is that they may not be like they'd make somewhere like on YouTube or Saturday Kitchen, which I love, by the way. But that'd be hot. They're ours.
Tastes like raisins.
I really think we should have put these on a baking tray, you know. Not that we have a baking tray. Anyway, job done. This was more fun. They don't look as good. But I think I had the oven on a bit too high. Anyway. Did you enjoy that?
Mm-hmm.
Can I do this with my fingers now?
Yes.
Right, let's say goodbye. Let's start. Look how many we've made. Got that tea towel? We're done. Over and out. See you guys next week.
Bye-bye.
Bye.